For me coming to Lucas, and the reason I joined Lucas was because of the way they are and the way that the mindset is. So they're slightly different in terms of how they approach something. It's not a standard solution to issues and problems. The beauty you have with Lucas, you've got an abundance of resources. So you've got like your joinery, you've got your 3D printing, you've got specialist people within the business who you can draw on their knowledge. From a personal point of view, I looked at what they did in terms of their decoration arm of the business, how far they actually progressed that, and then if they applied the same attitude and adopted the same approach and put it into fit out, then it could be something completely unique for the future. And the fact that people are not afraid to invest in themselves, they appear to be very sort of like forward thinking and wanting to develop. So you've got knowledge within the business you can draw on to actually find practical and potentially new solutions to issues and problems which you may not have been presented with. It's a technical challenge. I love technical challenges. You've got a building where you're trying to replicate things from 1930s onwards. 100 years gone by and we're trying to use modern technology to actually try and replicate some old pieces. If it was straightforward and easy, it wouldn't give me anything to get up for. It has to be interesting, it has to be intricate. It just gives me something I can feed off of and look to develop.